Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, what's up? My name is Jenny Sapon. On my channel, I usually do a lot of reviews and how-tos, but today I am changing it up and I'll be doing an unboxing boxy charm and what I got for the month. So I also announced in my previous video, I will be posting every Monday now. But before I get started, if you love unboxing, reviews, and how-tos, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started. So I'm like a little jittery. This is like my second time subscribing to like a monthly like makeup box thing. My first ever subscription was Ipsy, and they like were, this was like back in 2011. I did Ipsy and they were just giving like tiny trial sizes of makeup and things that I didn't even use. And so I finally just canceled the subscription just because I felt like tiny little samples or like makeup just drive me nuts, and I didn't like any of the products that it gave me. So I decided to try out Boxy Charm, and so let's hope I'm not disappointed, because I might cancel if I don't like it. Sorry, I'm just not going to pay money for something I don't like. But I did just get the standard one, so it is $25.99 plus tax, like I think $26 a month. So let's get started. So this is what the inside of my January box looks like. If you guys ever want me to do like a get ready with me with my Boxy Charm, leave a comment down below and let me know that you do want to see it. But for now, I'll probably just do like what I got, and I maybe try a few things on camera. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. So the first thing I got is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever. Oh, how cute. I love play on words like that. I'm assuming it's gonna be a green shadow palette. So this is, oh, it's actually pretty cute. So this is the color story of the palette. Super cute. This is MSRP for $34. Wow. So I really want to swatch this olive me color. Ooh, that's super pretty. Major Spotlight. Super pretty. And then let's do Charmed. So that's this color right here. I'm gonna do it right here. It is super creamy, actually. I'm pretty impressed. I'm excited to try this out. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and maybe add a few onto my lids, just because swatches are completely different. My lids aren't primed, so it might not be that pigmented, but let's give it a try. Oh, I'm using the shade Endless Desire, so the shade right here. And I'm just gonna buff this onto my crease. Do you guys see that? It's actually very pretty. It's a very cute everyday crease color. I actually never really like purchased anything from a Violet Voss. Like I usually will get like samples of like their products, but I've never really like purchased any of their stuff. So the next product is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with moringa and papaya. So this is the second product. This is actually retails for $38. It's actually considered a clean ingredient at Sephora. So the bottle is actually pretty big. I'm kind of curious to see. It has a very, I was gonna offer you guys to smell it, but this is what the inside of it looks like. It smells, it has a funny smell to it. I don't know, it smells almost like medicine. I'm assuming that's what the moringa is. It kind of smells like I said, it smells like medicine. Let me just dip my hands into this part. It's definitely cooling. Maybe I'll try it out for my night routine. I'm not gonna try it for my morning routine just because I already kind of have a good thing going and I don't want to ruin that. So I will try this out for my nighttime routine for sure. But I like some other products. Some other products were a miss for me, like their honeymoon glow line thing. It was just a no for me. The next item that I got is the Avant Skincare. It's a bi-phase hyaluronic acid rejuvenating micellar water. Presents an oil face aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup. Interesting, no wonder. It looks kind of, this retails for $90, you guys. Like, it looks kind of creepy with like the blue and it splits in the oil because the oil like divides it, and like that lighter blue. Seems pretty kind of cool, but it kind of stresses me out that it's like oily. So shake before used thoroughly. So you're supposed to shake before you use it, and that's what it looks like. It legit looks like just soap. It has a nice smell to it, but I'll let you guys know how this works. If it falls into like a favorites video or something that I've mentioned, you guys know I love it, but if it's not talked about, it's probably not good for me. The next product is a glow lip mask. I'm totally gonna butcher that, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the name. But it's vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens. It's no gluten. It has shea butter, apricot jojoba, and rose hip oil. I've honestly been seeing the rose hip like everywhere. I'm assuming, like, I don't know what that is. I need to look into it, but it's like an ingredient everywhere nowadays. Oh, it smells like a Jolly Rancher. Guys, like a strawberry watermelon Jolly Rancher. It smells so good. I want to eat it. I shouldn't, but I'm not going to. So it's supposed to make your lips chapped free, soothe, and plumped all at once. Let's give this a try. So it's very liquidy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oops, it says it's an overnight lip treatment. Oops, I didn't know that. Super glossy though. The last thing I received in this beauty box is a it's called Queen Studio. It's a Dragon Duo. So it's a modern day Boss Babe approved with an inky black pigmentation and semi-waterproof formula. It's basically an eyeliner. It's by the brand, I'm not sure if it's called by the brand Queen Studio or Dragon Duo. I'm not sure which brand it's called or by or who it's by. So there's two items in here. One of them, you get an eyeliner, which is a felt tip, which I'm all about. I love a felt tip liner, but I honestly haven't used anything besides like my Lily George liner. But let's give this a try. Oh, my swatch. That's a really bad swatch. I'm sorry. But that second one I tried a little better than that one. I just kind of swatched it down. But it's pretty intense. It's pretty black, which I love. I love like dark, very black eyeliner. The last thing is the charcoal liner. This is what it looks like. I prefer ones that you can I think this is a pencil liner, I think, because you can't twist it. Yeah, it's a pencil liner. I had to like run this over back and forth a few times, but that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like with just one single swatch. It's not as dark, but when you go over it a few times, it broke. Oh shoot. Well, I wasn't even rubbing that hard and it broke. This is why I prefer like pencil ones where you can just sharpen. So that's gonna be a no for me. So this concludes my unboxing Boxy Charm for the month of January. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave, and comment down below what you would like to see next, or comment down below if you would like to see me use the products in the video as well as unboxing it. Let me know what you guys want. And you can find me on all my social medias on Instagram and TikTok at Jenny Sapon. And since you're already here, you might as well hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.